Did you know that common decluttering mistakes could be costing you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars? Let's uncover these costly errors and learn how to avoid them. Welcome back to Modern Minimalism, where we help you create a peaceful and efficient lifestyle through the art of minimalism. Today, we're discussing the often overlooked financial impact of decluttering. While decluttering can positively transform your space and mental well-being, doing it incorrectly can lead to significant financial losses. Let's explore how to declutter smartly and save money. We all know that decluttering is essential for a tidy, stress-free home. However, it's crucial to declutter properly to avoid unnecessary financial losses. Rushing through the process or making hasty decisions can lead to regret and wasted money. Before we dive into the specifics, if you're enjoying our content, please subscribe to our channel for more tips on minimalist living and decluttering. Let's break down some common decluttering mistakes that can cost you money and how to avoid them. 1. Getting rid of valuable items without realizing their worth. One major mistake is decluttering valuable items without knowing their true worth. Before you toss or donate anything, take a moment to research its value. Websites, apps, and local appraisers can help you determine if you're sitting on a hidden treasure. 2. Not selling items before donating. While donating is great, not selling valuable items first can be a missed financial opportunity. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and local consignment shops are excellent places to sell items and recoup some money. 3. Throwing away items that could be repurposed. Another mistake is discarding items that could be repurposed. With a bit of creativity, you can transform old furniture, clothes, or household items into something useful. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste. 4. Decluttering essential items. You'll need to rebuy. Be careful not to declutter essential items that you'll end up needing to repurchase later. Think about your future needs before getting rid of anything. It's frustrating and costly to replace items you once had. 5. Investing in unnecessary storage solutions. Finally, don't fall into the trap of buying expensive storage solutions before decluttering. First, minimize what you have, then assess your storage needs. This way, you'll avoid spending money on unnecessary organizers. As we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as this motivates us to continue making these kinds of videos to reach out to you. Now, let's talk about the most costly decluttering mistake: rushing the process. Hastily decluttering without a plan can lead to all the mistakes we've mentioned. Taking your time to thoughtfully assess each item ensures you don't discard something valuable, miss out on selling opportunities, or end up repurchasing essentials. Rushing can turn decluttering into an expensive endeavor. Here are the key decluttering mistakes to avoid. Not recognizing the value of items, donating without selling first, discarding repurposable items, decluttering essentials, and investing in storage solutions prematurely. By taking a mindful approach to decluttering, you can save money and make more informed decisions. We'd love to hear about your own decluttering experiences and any costly mistakes you've encountered. Share your stories in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more decluttering tips and minimalist living advice. See you in this next video.